In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube if it isn't working on your Amazon Fire TV. I'm going to show you a couple of really simple ways to try and solve your problem. The first one is probably the easiest one to try, and that is to unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient, wait the whole 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This is very different from turning the TV on and off with your remote control. This is what we call a hard reset of your TV, so make sure you try this method. If that doesn't work, try deleting the YouTube app off of your TV. So go over to wherever the apps are located on your system and remove the app altogether. Then reinstall the YouTube app again. After you reinstall it, you might have to log back in with all your credentials, but hopefully this will work. Now, if this doesn't work, then something I would say to try is to go out and buy an affordable Roku stick or an Amazon Fire stick, and you'll be able to access YouTube through one of those devices. And I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get one. Well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.